school graduate, a single mom that retired from that went to a public school, and I retired as an educator in Houston at a Title I school. And now I'm a proud union Texas AFT organizer. I started my career as a paraprofessional where I made $20,000 a year, which broken down would be $1,200 before taxes. After taxes, about $900. Damn. As a single mom, the salary I received from Texas schools wasn't sufficient. I had to work multiple jobs to keep a roof over our head and food on our table. Sometimes I didn't have enough food, so I made sure my daughter ate and the kids that I was working with ate. I ended up staying with family and friends. Wasn't proud of it, lost my car. Had to ride the bus to and fro from work, getting home at 2 o'clock in the morning, getting back up at 5 to get to school. But I'm thankful for the support that I got to be able to buy another house, a car, and to make sure my daughter graduated. I never forgot those that helped me. My thing is lift as you climb. Yeah. So we need to reach back and lift and climb. Yes. As an educator, I saw the cycle of poverty in my school that affected the students that I served as a behavior interventionist when I got a raise, semi-raise. Despite their behavior challenges, my students had no faults. They were a project for the school system to say that they were not popular, they were not good enough. So I understood how they felt because I was in that same situation. So I taught them to lift and climb each other. As an educator, I was always helping, giving my last so they could have. My role as an educator, I saw that the state of Texas was not lifting while it climbed. Texas is the second largest economics in the country, yet it ranks 41st when it comes to pupil-public ratio. Not all communities, not the community that I grew up in and the community in all of the state of Texas, does not get that money. If the state truly wants to be the envy of the world, it should share that investment that they claim they have to give to all of the public schools, the schools that we want our children to have that they don't get. So that's why I am fighting as a union organizer, not just to help our support staff, but to help our children as well. Yes. So, this is why I am in this movement, to take back the mic from the extremists, to raise our voice, my voice, and make our power felt from the State House to the White House, to wake up the sleeping giants, and to resurrect for resurrection and not insurrection, and lift as you climb.